Ladies and gents, welcome back to the studio. I'm Michael. So we got a couple of important things to go over in today's video about the crypto market. A lot has happened that really isn't too great. So first thing is going to be that Bitcoin has dropped well below $20,000 per coin, currently sitting right around $19,000 per coin. Important thing right here is when we look at the charts, we have never seen Bitcoin have a weekly close below $20,000 per coin since December of 2020. So really, since the last bull market, we have not seen a weekly close below $20,000 per coin. So ideally, over the coming days, we'd like to see Bitcoin's price bounce back and have that weekly close above $20,000 per coin to really prevent any further downside. Next thing that happened, which has really triggered the market events and this bit of a correction we're seeing right now, is that we did see that Jerome Powell recently came out and said that there is no guarantee the central bank is going to be able to tame inflation without hurting the job market. In a recent interview, he came out and says that it's gotten harder and harder. The pathway for them having a soft landing has gotten narrower and narrower. And despite all their best efforts and everything they're doing, he still might not be able to have a soft landing for the U.S. economy. They might have to increase even faster and more dramatic, and it could cause problems with the job market. So that is the first reason why we're seeing the market struggling a bit. The second thing, and one of the main reasons why we have seen the market come down today, is going to be because the SEC has officially denied Grayscale's spot Bitcoin ETF application. And the reason they did this, many people are unhappy about. For example, Grayscale is already filing a lawsuit and suing the SEC after they rejected this Bitcoin ETF application, which has been in the works for a while. So a lot of people are upset about this because they're saying that the SEC isn't treating all these different investment products equally, that based on everything, they should have allowed Grayscale to convert their Grayscale Bitcoin Trust into an ETF, but they didn't. So Grayscale is suing them over this, and I think eventually we will see a Bitcoin ETF. We've already seen one in other countries and other stock markets all around the world. Just the US is being a little bit late to the game, and it's going to take a while. So that is why we're seeing a little bit more fear in the market as of today, because the SEC did reject Grayscale's Bitcoin ETF application. I want to quickly interrupt today's video to bring you a word from our channel partner, Fairdesk. Fairdesk is one of our longest term sponsors on the channel, and they are a cryptocurrency exchange that offers up to 125x leverage. This is the platform where I have currently been doing a lot of my leverage trading as of recently, because they have a very simple and easy to use platform that really provides investors with access to the global crypto markets. Some of the features that I personally enjoy and use the most on Fairdesk are three things. First is that they have a simple mobile app with great charting features if you like technical analysis. The second is that they also offer leverage trading on dozens of the top trading cryptocurrencies. And the third is that they have easy access to short or long any of your favorite cryptos. If you sign up for Fairdesk today using the link in the description, you can get up to a $600 bonus when you deposit $100 or more. So if you're interested in trading crypto specifically with leverage, I definitely think you should check out Fairdesk. Remember, leverage trading is high risk, high reward, but I think this platform is definitely worth checking out. Anyways, let's get back to the program. Last thing that's going to happen is going to be with Sam Bankman-Fried. He came out and recently warned that exchanges are already secretly insolvent, many of them. And he talked about this in an interview earlier in the week when he says that right now there are companies that have basically gone too far, that are too far gone, and it's not practical to backstop them for reasons like a substantial hole in their balance sheet, regulatory issues, or that there is not much of a business left to be saved. He said right now a lot of companies are starting to freeze withdrawals. They're starting to have a lot of issues, and even if they may look okay on the outside, a lot of these are secretly insolvent. For that reason, I believe FTX passed on Celsius. They specifically said they passed on Celsius due to deficit in the balance sheet and a $2 billion hole, which isn't accounted for in the balance sheet. So we're seeing that this is happening not just with Celsius, but many companies. And as a result of this, we're seeing a lot of fear in the markets right now. So as of today, while there is fear right now, I am still extremely bullish on crypto. I am going to continue to buy long term, and this isn't going to stop me from buying, but just know in the short term, still some uncertainty, actually a lot of uncertainty for the time being. So that's what's going on. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. See ya.